Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting the Pixel 10 Pro into a predictable state. Open the camera app and confirm permissions so features work. Once done, clean the lens and turn on grid and HDR to frame and capture better detail. Then choose photo mode, pick 1x or 0. 5 for wide coverage, tap the subject to lock focus and slide exposure if needed. These first actions prevent missed shots and give you immediate control over composition and light. Now you refine control. Use the exposure slider and tap to focus. Hold your finger to lock AE/AF so consecutive frames match. Depending on conditions, switch to night sight for low light, portrait for subject separation, or telephoto for distant detail. If you want action, enable motion mode and compose anticipating movement. Make sure to use optical zoom first, stabilize the phone with both hands or tripod, and rely on OIS/EIS. These steps maximize. You finish by reviewing and polishing. Open photos, crop and fine-tune exposure, contrast, and color, and use selective edits to rescue highlights or shadows. Once satisfied, export originals or compressed files depending on delivery, then back up to cloud storage to avoid loss. If you run into problems, camera freeze or lag, close background apps, clear storage space, and restart the phone. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.